Why everyone's obsessed with ChatGPT, a mind-blowing AI chatbot. This artificial intelligence bot can answer questions and write essays and program computers. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot system that OpenAI released in November to show off and test what a very large, powerful AI system can accomplish. ChatGPT is a large language model chatbot based on GPT 3.5. You can ask it countless questions and often will get an answer that's useful. For example, you can ask it encyclopedia questions like explaining Newton's laws of motion. You can also ask it to write a computer program that'll show you all the different ways you can arrange the letters of a word. Here's the catch. ChatGPT doesn't exactly know anything. It's an AI that's trained to recognize patterns in vast swaths of text harvested from the internet, then further trained with human assistance to deliver more useful, better dialogue. The answers you get may sound plausible and even authoritative, but they might well be entirely wrong, as OpenAI warns. Who built ChatGPT? ChatGPT was created by San Francisco-based artificial intelligence company OpenAI. OpenAI Incorporated is the non-profit parent company of the for-profit OpenAI Limited Partnership. OpenAI is famous for its well-known DALL-E, a deep learning model that generates images from text instructions called prompts. The CEO is Sam Altman, who previously was president of Y Combinator. Microsoft is a partner and investor in the amount of $1 billion. They jointly developed the Azure AI platform. According to Stanford University, GPT-3 has 175 billion parameters and was trained on 570 gigabytes of text. This increase in scale drastically changes the behavior of the model. GPT-3 is able to perform tasks it was not explicitly trained on, like translating sentences from English to French, with few to no training examples. This behavior was mostly absent in GPT-2. Furthermore, for some tasks, GPT-3 outperforms models that were explicitly trained to solve those tasks, although in other tasks it falls short. What are the limitations of ChatGPT? First, limitations on toxic response. ChatGPT is specifically programmed not to provide toxic or harmful responses, so it will avoid answering those kinds of questions. Second, quality of answers depends on quality of directions. An important limitation of ChatGPT is that the quality of the output depends on the quality of the input. In other words, expert directions generate better answers. Third, answers are not always correct. Another limitation is that because it is trained to provide the answers that feel right to humans, the answers can trick humans that the output is correct. Many users discovered that ChatGPT can provide incorrect answers, including some that are wildly incorrect. Will ChatGPT replace Google search? Google itself has already created an AI chatbot that is called LaMDA. The performance of Google's chatbot was so close to a human conversation that a Google engineer claimed that LaMDA was sentient. Given how these large language models can answer so many questions, is it far-fetched that a company like OpenAI, Google, or Microsoft would one day replace traditional search with an AI chatbot? Some on Twitter are already declaring that ChatGPT will be the next Google. Conclusion. As previously mentioned, ChatGPT is envisioned as a tool that the public will eventually have to pay to use. Over 1 million users have registered to use ChatGPT within the first 5 days since it was opened to the public. Thanks for watching.